see, the glory and the gift that God gave to Joseph, upon what he went through, that didn't make God to take out a gift from him. No. Still, it was even in cells that God had increased the gift so immensely. Right. So he was doing things that he couldn't do as at earlier on. When he came out of prisons, he became what?
Prime Minister.
A prime minister. So I'm seeing some of you, the people here, becoming prime ministers in your houses.
Receive it.
I'm telling you the truth. By the next tip of the clock,
Jesus,
you'll be the very person that
receive it.
Everyone. Hello?
Hi.
I said by the next tip of the clock,
Jesus,
your name will be heard everywhere.
Oh, Jesus.
People will come to you for loan.
Amen.
I said people will come to you for loan.
Amen.
People will come to you for loan.
Amen.
It is not yet over into your life. God is still there for you.
Jesus.
He has not rejected you.
Jesus.
And he will not reject you.
Jesus.
He is still there for you.
Jesus.
When anybody rejects you,
amen,
I'm telling you in the name of Jesus,
amen,
you pull through in life.
My God.
You'll be successful.
Jesus.
In the name of